slowly making my way back to going to dance class regularly. Taking it slow, don't want to fuck up the shoulder, especially since they put me back on that animation project back at work again. So I'm going to be using my arms more, even though I draw with my right hand, but I use my left for shortcuts. So gonna be better up posture, the whole thing. Gonna do this. Gonna get right back at it.
Don't tell me how you feel, so quiet laying next to me. The silence souvenir, letting you go, letting you go. Keep craving you the days that you don't want me, like searching for some heat inside a cold breeze. On and on forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. 'Cause I don't care as long as you're there, as long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Guess we're pioneers, roaming around the atmosphere. I hate when you're not near, drifting away, drifting away. Keep missing you the days that you don't see me, like searching for a heart inside of my sheet. Sitting here forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh, 'cause baby I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried.
Dance class was really good. I'm glad I did it. I'm making breakfast for dinner. It's good to be back. I gotta do that way more often than once a week.
I can do it now. All right.
I hear motivational music.
So I was with you guys for a short talk. Please turn that music off. Now I was here for 5 months, and I just left Family Guy. I was there for 4 years, and that was like the greatest team I've been a part of, and being able to work with my best friends, and then meeting you guys and working on this incredible team and seeing what we're building up has been an amazing experience for me. I wasn't even looking for this new job, and this new opportunity is really a blessing, an opportunity, and I hope that I can help you in any way possible moving forward. But I mean, this has been one of the best experiences of my life, and being able to work with my friends. Thank you for everything. I love you guys, seriously. So,
Cheers.
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 Thank you guys. I love it.
All right.
Guess what?
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 What's that? We're back, baby. We're back in this dirty ass garage.
I have a microphone. We'll see if it still works.
I've lived a long life. We've had a lot of troubles, but now we're cleaning up, getting our life back together.
I've been to jail.
Wait. All right, tonight is the night of the art show for the piece that I have in it. It's at Two Bit Circus. I just got here. I'm nervous. It's been a little bit since I've been in an art show, and it's a whole new location. And Max is gonna be there, and friends are gonna be there. So I'm just kind of like, So it should be good. Should be good. Hopefully it's not super crowded, because I don't like super crowds. So, but we'll see. So that was fun. Art show was cool. I don't know if I sold much. I kind of took most of my prints back. I left a couple there just in case. But still, it was really cool, and the venue's really fun. 2-Bit's really fun. I did buy a piece. It's for Good Omens. If I had known I could have done Good Omens art, I would have probably done that. But look how beautiful this is. It's by Caitlin Price. But it's so good. It's so good. I love it. I'm gonna frame it and put it up. It's cool. Okay. Alright, so now I'm gonna go home. I'm tired. I gotta work on Ruby for a little bit. And yeah, time to start my weekend. So this is crazy. I went to walk on my neighborhood walk, saw this cat, figured the neighbors let their cat out, so I went to go knock on the door, and I looked through the window, and the guy's coming to the door, and he fell down. He just fell down and didn't get back up, so I called 911. Now they're on their way. It looked like a little old man. I don't know what to do, so I'm doing that, and I'm just waiting here, watching this cat still, and waiting for the ambulance to show up, because holy shit. Okay. Alright, bye kitty. Oh my gosh. Okay. So I'm back from that. Oh my god. Long story short, I was on that walk. I saw that cat and it just straight up approached me and it was super friendly. And I was petting it. I was like, oh my gosh, you're so sweet. Hung out with it. Realized it was like following me. And I was just like, wait a second. Maybe like there's no collar. It's in front of this house. Let me go knock on this door. Maybe their cat got out. I heard music in the background. I was like, it happens. I went to go knock on the door and I waited a bit and I was like, oh, okay. And like, eventually I saw like this old man, like starting to come down some stairs, like through like the window was a square window peephole. Like you could just see inside the house, seeing this old man come toward the door. And then he just falls. And I was like, oh my god. And I shouted through the door like, are you okay? And I saw him trying to get up and I was like, please get up. And he just fell again and did not get back up. And I stood there for a second like, do I mind my business? Do I call 911? What do I do? I waited like 10 more seconds, to be honest, maybe 15 more seconds, just to be like, hey, are you okay? Hey, I'm gonna call 911. Say anything. And he didn't say anything. So I called 911. Gave them the address. They were there in like less than 5 minutes. And when the EMTs got there, they were like, oh, we've been here before. He falls. And I was just like, oh, okay. And then other neighbors started coming out because of the lights and everything. And they're like, is John okay? And I was just like, I guess, I don't know. Like I saw him fall. Okay. And the EMTs were like, we have it from here. Don't worry. And they like went around the back and like the neighbors like knew how to get inside. And they went around the back and they like, I saw through like the bigger window in the front of the building. Like I saw them pick him up and they were talking to him and everything. And apparently like, he has some, I don't know, issues with alcoholism and it's a thing that happens. But like, yeah, like it could have been worse, like, I don't know if he hit his head, like it was just, so now I'm just sitting here like, okay, I've never had to call 911 before. Okay. This is what I get for petting strange cats, because it was so friendly. It just came right up. It was so sweet. So I'm like, okay, all right. That's my Friday night. About to go to 2 birthday parties, waiting for Max to get back from the grocery store so we could bring some stuff. And yeah, that's gonna be tonight. Whew, it's already like literally 100 degrees. going to the second birthday party.
Number 2.
His allergies kicked in.
I feel great.